So we'll get started off on the left. You want to be in your Jupyter folder. Make a new folder, and we'll call it tick, and then whatever that tick number was. Once you're in there, go to the launcher all the way down to the bottom, and we want to generate test target list first. Run that cell, and instead of type in tick ID, select choose an image. Then we'll navigate up to calibrated nights, and then go to this night of data, which is the 1111. And then pick any one of the images of this exoplanet and hit select. And it'll ask you if the tick ID looks okay. Yeah, I'm getting an error there. So now we go back to the launcher, and we don't need to do notebook 1 again. That's one where we set up the camera and stuff that we only need to do once. So now go to notebook 2. Let's start the comparison start tab. First, you choose an image. So you'll go back to calibrated nights and choose any image that's got the star in it. For the input source list, you want the tick or whatever source list input. If things are working, there should be a green blob of stars in the center. This field has a ton of variables in it too. All the blue dots are variables. Huh. Do save the variable info. Then let's go to the seeing profile, and you can mouse over the middle of the image and hit plus to zoom in. So we should be pretty well zoomed in on the exoplanet. And then if you hold down the shift key and click, check variable aperture, and then change the radius to something like 1.5. The idea here is to use an aperture that's big enough and that adjusts as the size of the stars so that it keeps about the same fraction of light in the aperture the whole time. Once you've done that, hit the green save button, and then you should get a green check mark. Now we can open up notebook 3. The observatory passband map, photometry apertures should already be set up. Source location should already be good. For the photometry options, you want to uncheck the reject too close. And then logging settings, you shouldn't have to change. You need to save the photometry optional settings. As long as you have a green check, you're good. And you can check on the camera. Okay, so this is all good. So we can open up notebook 4. Here, we're going to go back to calibrated nights, find the night. After you've done this a few times, you do not forget what to do. Find an image of the star, select that, and then if everything's good, hit yes. And this is a really deceptive bar because it just jumped to 42%, and it's going to take an hour to finish.